We are in Bikini Bottom, my brothers. My brothers, we are in Bikini Bottom. Whoa, chill out, man. Hey guys, they got Fiji water down here. They got the Fiji. So we got the Five Nights at Freddy's Nick box here. SpongeBob. No, it's so cool looking. Look at that. The moment I seen this, I knew I had to get it. Whoa, look at that. It might mess with the green screen a little bit, but whoa, boys, this is going to be pretty awesome. Let's get this open. If you liked the video, give it a lickety-like, and if you're new, give it a little sippy sub. It truly means a lot to me if you guys are able to leave a like or anything on here. Lets me know that you guys like this stuff, and hopefully we'll be able to make more content like this. So yeah, let's get to it. Big green screen. Killer Frog is going out. Whoa, it's out of the bag, boys. We got it out. SpongeBob is transparent because it's thinking it's green, but it's not. Squarepants, Nickelodeon. Yo, what is this? We got a little, I don't know what oh, it's a pencil holder. So this can hold your little pencils. That's pretty cool. But yeah, it's a SpongeBob little pineapple pencil holder. Whoa, poggers, big poggers. We got to hit that button. Bruh. Blow your guys' eardrums out. Let's open it up here. Ooh, it smells beautiful. But yeah, I actually could use something like this, so I'm happy. Anything SpongeBob, I absolutely love. Look at that, boys. Ooh, yo, this is oh, it has a pencil sharpener at the top right here, so if you have to sharpen your pencil, that's pretty nice. That is very, very cool. Sorry if it's transparent right here, just because there is green, but whoa, that is pretty cool. I'm liking this. This is pretty epic. I rate this one. Everything's gonna be a 10 out of 10 because once again, I love SpongeBob. Anything SpongeBob, I literally love. So this is awesome. Oh, Mrs. Puff's boating school. It's gonna be transparent again, but it's pretty much just all green. That is really awesome. I love this. Yo, it's a little cup. Now we can drink some of our hot cocos out of it. I do apologize if my hair looks a little messy. I need a haircut really badly. I almost just broke everything. That would have been very, very bad. I would have cried. Yo, look at this though. Once again, it's gonna be transparent. I mean, you can see it though. You can see it. This is very, very nice. I really like this a lot. This is very, very cool. Once again, anything whoa! It's got a whole bunch of stuff on the back. Yo, it says start the boat. Put it in drive, and then it says floor it, but that's crossed out. Turn, stop at the stop sign, continue driving, turn around, flagpole, drive vertically up road, drive vertically down road, jump over anchor, fly through a ring of fire, watch out for man, drive to the finish line. So I guess that's what they have to do to be able to get their license in Bikini Bottom. My test was not as hard, so I should be thankful because I didn't have to go through no little ring of fire or anything like that or anything. So that's, you know, that was good for me. So on to the next thing. I hope you guys are liking this stuff. Once again, smash the like button if you're enjoying. Yo, we got this little vinyl figure of SpongeBob, and I think he's like looking at a map or something. My green screen is completely destroying everything. It's like, yeah, let's just ruin everything. But look at that. Whoa, it's a vinyl figure. I don't know what he's doing though, so let's unbox it, get him out, and see what he's doing. So any of this stuff that you might not be able to see right now, I'll put on screen so you're able to see it, but a little better. But I'm really happy with this. I think it looks pretty cool. He's holding a little map and he's got his little hat on, and I don't know where he's going though. I'm a little confused on where he's headed. But this is a cool figure, and I'm guessing these connect to other figures because it has like little things on the sides here. So that is kind of cool. Big poggers, very awesome. Once again, I think this is a pretty cool figure. I'm happy with a lot of the stuff that I've gotten so far, so on to the next thing. What do you guys think it's gonna be? It could be anything, literally. Is this a hat? Yo, we got a hat. We got a hat. What kind of hat though? Is it it gonna be Patrick? Sponge? Yeah, this is 100% a hat. Yo, we got a chum bucket hat. Look at that. Very cool. I'm liking that. That's actually really awesome. Yo, very, very cool. I wasn't expecting the little chum bucket. Yo, chum bucket? Any chum bucketers? The Krusty Krab since 1999, but flip it over. Flip it. Yo, that is very, very nice. Poop. People order our patties. Very, very nice. I'm liking this shirt. This is probably my favorite SpongeBob shirt I've ever seen. Very, very nice. Let's put it on, boys. Watch this transition, though. Watch this. Watch this. This is going to be epic.
Bruh.
Wait. We got to redo that. We got to redo it. Very, very nice. This is looking pretty cool. We got the Gucci on, boys. We got the Gucci. Big Gucci Krusty Krab. Pretty awesome. Now to the last thing. I think it's the last thing. We got the recipe for the Krabby Patty formula. This is it, boys. It was that easy. We got it. We didn't have to do anything special. We have it. Look at that. That's very cool, boys. Very, very nice. So we got top secret recipe, prep time, total time, servings, ingredients. That is pretty nice. So you can write your little stuff in there. For me, I think I'm just going to hang this up or do something with it. I'm not quite sure, but anything SpongeBob I like to collect. So this is pretty awesome. Very, very nice. So we got this little Krusty Krab pen. This is the last thing, sadly, but it looks pretty nice. Let's put it on. Once again, anything I should probably I'll do a little closer up for you guys so you guys can see better. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see more stuff like this. Truly, it lets me know if you want to see more of this because it's, I don't know what you guys want. And I just want to make sure I'm making content that you guys enjoy. So, goodbye until the next video, boys.